Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for an unboxing of some free junk journal items. Wanted to show you a couple that I made recently. You've seen me make this map journal on camera, and I used some thrifted European maps for this one. And this one was from a previous challenge that's still open, and so if you'd like to join, it is a True Junk Journal Challenge. BB's Closet Creations and Kelly Santi Designs joined and made some journals. So if you'd like to check out the playlist and see how I made this, I'll make sure to link it down below. So I want to make another journal using some of the items I'll be unboxing today. And I'm hoping to do a collage a day series for November using this journal, so I'm super excited. But let me show you the box that I did get in the mail. So I learned about this from the awesome Possum Patty's channel. So if you haven't seen her channel, she has such wonderful ideas on junk journaling and also has a Friday flip through of some of her wonderful completed journals. So these are brochures from Oklahoma's Tourism and Recreation Department. And as you know, some of those brochures are really wonderful to use. They have some great images that you can use for your junk journals. We get some in our mail, but I thought when I was looking through their website, some of them would look great in a nature journal. And so I went ahead and ordered some, and they sent it for free, including shipping. Yeah, so everything was free. So let's open it up. I don't remember which ones I picked. Okay. So there's the website if you'd like to try it out. And here it is, all packed with some wonderful items that we can definitely use. I see maps. I already see a fun passport that will be fun to look through first of all and learn more about Oklahoma, and also use the pages, probably alter these pages and make it a mini collage book. So let's start digging in and seeing what's in here. So first we have this little passport that we just browsed briefly here. So that'll be fun to use. Let me pull out the next one. We have a beautiful statue here of Ponca City. And again, these are just fun resources to use for your junk journaling. Let me see what else I did get. We have Shawnee, Oklahoma. How cute is this? This is perfect images to use for collaging. And again, this whole booklet itself can be a junk journal. It looks like a traveler's notebook size. And you can start using, what I usually do is use the images in the background and collage as I go. Look at these wonderful painted horses. We have Yukon's Christmas in the park. That'll be fun to add to a Christmas journal. Look at that, that's so cool. Be merrily safe. Now here's one from the agritourism map. I love that. And here we go. If you want to make a map journal like the one I just shown, this is a really big map that you can use for your pages. This alone can make a lot of pages for a journal, so I love that. Jelly making, how fun. Oh, that's a fun activity. Pick it, take it, and make it. That is awesome. Here's another cute, colorful map. Then we have another map of the official Oklahoma State map. So this would make a wonderful traveler's journal. we have this one here. And again, most of these are obviously marketing brochures, so you will see a lot of maps. And I'm going to be learning a lot about Oklahoma, which would be fun. Here we go. How nice is this? With all the landmarks. That's really cool. More fun maps, so I don't want to bore you, but here is one where, again, you can create pockets here on both sides, and then you have pages already for your, like an accordion style journal. Very nice images there for buffalo. Indian Arts and Craft. Look at that. Beautiful information on what you see there. And other things to remember. We have Hard Rock Cafe Casino in Tulsa. And let's see. More history here. Another nice fun map. So these will definitely go in my map, a new map journal that I'll be working on. Now here they have some flyers that make perfect cardstock for your junk journal journaling cards, like little inserts, some images and fun facts here to include. This would be great in a farm journal. More of those heavy hard cardstock. More fun images to use. This is the National Cowboy Museum. That's really pretty. And this is the History Center. Just more brochures with maps in it. Motorcycle guide. That's cool. Now here's one that I really like. I love birds, and I thought this would make another bird journal. Look how pretty that image is. And look, some writing space. We have some flowers in there. And just beautiful. I'm definitely going to read through the Greater Road Runner. Just so many fun images to look through. See, beautiful flowers you can use. For different journals. So I love that one. Let's see what else. There's still more. And here's a guide to fall. We'll probably include this in our fall journal. Here are some fun images. They'll be great for a farm journal. How cool. I love this. Oh, that's so pretty. That is gorgeous. Wow, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Changing of the leaves. Pancake. And what else do we have here? Long Road to Liberty. Wonderful. I mean, this is great stuff. That's also a great resource for the kids to learn from. So I'm definitely going to share this with my daughter, Emmy. Might be good for their history class. Amazing. And then We have a dining guide, Pathfinder here. He's so happy. Look at how big that is. Wow, that is gigantic. How fun. And also great, again, learning resource for places to go when if you decide to visit. But look at this journal, doing the outdoor activities, constellation, seasons. Oh, okay. Have another one here. Weatherford. Look at this. Nice and colorful. How fun is that? 10-pound pies. Whoa, chili. Yummy. Have that. And we're getting to the bottom of our box. Modern Frontier. So it is packed with information. Beautiful photography and images also that you can use and learn from as well. So I love this. Thank you, Patty, for letting us know about this. And this is our final one. Travel Oklahoma. A little belly band here. Hold on. Oh my. Oh, it's taped to it. No wonder. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. This is Black Mesa. The country's darkest nighttime skies. Amazing, beautiful images here. Oh, there's a cow. Where'd the cow go? Here. So that is it, guys. What a fun pack here. I am looking forward to using these to make a map journal, possibly a farm journal very soon, and nature journal, so stay tuned for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing of some free junk journal supplies. Remember, you can also check your local library. My library usually has a section or a shelf that says free. I've actually gotten free books and magazines over there that I've used for my journals. And of course, our regular junk mail as well is a great resource for some free items. But if you like what you saw today, you might want to try it out and see if you can get a box of these fun marketing brochures. So super fun. Excited to read on this as well. So stay tuned for more project shares in the future and some journaling sessions together. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.